What if our entire solar system is trapped inside a giant cosmic bubble? A hidden structure NASA knows about but isn't spilling. Welcome to Celestial Wonders. Today we're diving into, are we inside a giant bubble? The space secret NASA won't tell. From mind-bending science to clues about our place in the universe, this cosmic mystery will shock you. Buckle up. You won't believe what's out there. Picture this. Our solar system floats inside a vast cavity called the local bubble, a 1,000 light-year wide sphere carved out by ancient supernovae. A 2018 study in Nature confirmed this bubble exists, formed 10 to 20 million years ago when massive stars exploded, pushing gas and dust into a thin, hot shell. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and we're living inside it. The local bubble's walls are made of ionized gas glowing at 1,000,000 degrees. A 2019 astrophysical journal study mapped its structure using starlight absorption, showing it's not a perfect sphere but a lumpy, dynamic cage. NASA's Voyager probes, launched in 1977, have skimmed its edge, sending back data that stunned scientists. So why isn't NASA shouting this from the rooftops? Let's find out. Living inside a cosmic bubble feels like being in a snow globe, both protected and isolated. It's a humbling reminder of our tiny place in a vast universe, sparking awe and curiosity. The local bubble was born from chaos. A 2017 monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society study suggests 15 to 20 supernovae in a star cluster blasted out this cavity millions of years ago. These explosions, 10,000 times brighter than the sun, swept away gas, leaving a low-density bubble where our solar system now sits. Here's the wild part. The bubble's walls are studded with new stars. A 2020 Nature astronomy study found that supernovae triggered star formation in the bubble's dense shell, like cosmic sparks igniting new worlds. Our sun likely drifted into this bubble 5 million years ago, shielded from denser, more dangerous regions of the galaxy. These ancient explosions didn't just destroy, they created. The bubble that protects us is a legacy of cosmic rebirth, connecting us to the stars that gave us a home. NASA's Voyager 1 and 2, launched in 1977, are our first probes to touch the local bubble's edge. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence fades. A 2018 science study revealed it detected a magnetic highway, a turbulent zone where the bubble's magnetic fields clash with the galaxies. This is where our solar system meets the cosmos. Voyager 2, crossing in 2018, found even weirder data, denser plasma and unexpected magnetic shifts, per a 2019 Nature astronomy report. These suggest the local bubble's edge is a dynamic frontier, not a static wall. NASA's data is public, but the complexity keeps it from headlines. It's no UFO, but it's mind-blowing. Voyager's journey into the unknown is humanity's boldest step. These lonely probes carry our hopes, reaching for answers in a universe that feels both vast and intimate. Here's where it gets wild. The local bubble might be a hotspot for life. A 2020 astrobiology study suggests its low-density environment shields nearby stars from cosmic rays, making planets like ours more habitable. Over 1,000 stars, including 100 potentially habitable ones, lie inside the bubble, according to a 2018 Astronomical Journal survey. Stars like Tau Ceti, just 12 light-years away, could host life. A 2019 Nature study found Tau Ceti's planets might have water, and its position in the bubble reduces radiation risks. Could aliens be our neighbors, hidden by the bubble's walls? SETI's been listening, but so far silence. Maybe they're just shy. The idea of alien neighbors in our bubble sparks wonder. It's a dream that we're not alone, that our cosmic home might hold friends we've yet to meet. The local bubble isn't forever. A 2017 Astrophysical Journal study predicts it will collapse in 10 to 20 million years as interstellar gas fills it in. Our sun will drift into a denser region, facing new cosmic challenges. Future missions like the Interstellar Probe, planned for 2030, aim to study the bubble's boundaries, per a 2020 Nature Astronomy report. The bubble shapes our cosmic destiny. A 2019 Science Advances study suggests its low density helped Earth avoid sterilizing cosmic rays, letting life flourish. Understanding it could guide humanity's leap to the stars, ensuring our survival in a changing galaxy. The local bubble is our cradle, shielding life's fragile spark. It reminds us to cherish our planet and dream of exploring the cosmic home that shaped us. The local bubble isn't just a cosmic oddity, it's our home, carved by ancient stars and hiding secrets about life itself. A 2020 Nature Astronomy study confirms it shapes our cosmic neighborhood, protecting us while hinting at alien possibilities. NASA's data unveils its wonders, not conspiracies, proving truth is stranger than fiction. This bubble connects us to the universe's past and future. It's a story of creation, survival, and hope, urging us to keep exploring the cosmos. What shocked you most about the local bubble? Its supernova origins, Voyager's discoveries, or the chance of alien neighbors? Drop it in the comments. If this cosmic mystery gripped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Celestial Wonders, and hit the bell for more. Next, we're exploring the dark matter enigma. You won't believe its secrets. Thanks for joining us on this stellar journey. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos.